So hello guys, welcome back to my channel. Welcome back to V tutorials. In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can grow 50 USD to 100 to 500 USD without a waste of time. So before I dive into this, if this is your first time coming across to this Amazon channel, do it to subscribe, like my videos, and also share my videos so that a lot of people can actually gain value from this amazing content. So we're going to do this using the H coin. You know why? I mentioned the H coin earlier, but I asked you to watch carefully before investing on it. Okay, so now this is the right time for us to actually invest in on TA coin. Okay, because if you can see, the TA coin have taken a sharp down move, that has to take him from 0.8. Look at this, 0.8, 0.8 down to where? Down to 0.0726. Wow, this is a serious decline. But could this particular crypto coin be delisted? I think that's where they're heading to. And I can see some sign here as well, because this downtrend is day much. Okay, so without a waste of time, we're going to invest something on it. Okay, so if you click on here, right here, it will take you to this interface. So on this interface, you will have to invest. Okay, you will have to invest. I've invested 50 already, but for the sake of these tutorials, we're going to trade 50 with it so that you can see that I practicalize it. All right, so I'm going to click on the buy sessions. Then when you come to this is the current price of it in the market. So I will input the USDT I wish to buy with right here. I'm going to use 50. Okay, if I use 50 like right now with this price, I'm going to get this quantity 341.3. All right, so I'm going to come to this place and set my take profit and stop loss. That will be very okay if I do that. Okay, so now right here I'm going to click on buy. So if I click on buy now, it will take me to my preview as usual. It will show me how much I'm using to buy this. It will also show me the quantity I'm going to get. It will also show me at the rate of what I'm going to buy this. Okay, you can see this, right? So let's see. I'm going to proceed to buy this particular cryptocurrency. Did you know why it's not fully executed immediately? It is because I use limit. If you want your trade to be executed immediately, I always tell you use market price. Change this place to market price. All right, so I've invested this right now. So let's try this particular cryptocurrency coin. And if you're investing on this, you must be cautious and careful, because from this sharp down trend, it looks so much as if the coin will soon be delisted. And even though the coin will be delisted, it will be monitored for some time. So watch carefully and see how you can guide your coin in order to make your reasonable profit. Okay, all right, let's see now. What if this particular cryptocurrency now in God's willing took a sharp move to 0.5? How much am I going to gain? If it took a sharp move to 0.5, I'm going to gain 170, and in 170 less 100, I'm going to gain what? I'm going to gain 70 USD. Okay, what if it returns to where it was coming from, 0.8? If it returns to where it's coming from, 0.8, I'm going to gain how much? I'm going to gain 170 USD. What if it gets to 0.9? I'm going to get 207 USD. And what about when it goes to 1? You understand? If it got to 1, because I always have a hope that this particular cryptocurrency coin will get to 1 USD, but unfortunately, it will soon be delisted in the market. I don't know, but let's see what will happen. So this brings me to the end of this class. Thank you so much. I will see you in my next class. Bye.